So this video is the how to install a AMD APU processor. Really a lot of the AMD processors will kind of follow this exact same process. You can see right here there's a little cutout showing a arrow, kind of a little indentation on the connector slot. What we need to do is actually line this arrow up with the CPU itself. The CPU will also have an arrow in one of the corners. See, it's right here. That is the direction the CPU must be installed into the slot or the connector to make sure we don't break any of the pins off. So what we're going to do is we're going to lift this lever here. This will kind of roll back the processor socket. We'll put the processor in and then push the lever back down, and that'll go ahead and make the connection. So we're going to press it down, move it to the right, kind of pull it out from underneath. It'll lift up. You'll see the socket will move just a tiny bit back and forth. With the lever up, what we'll need to do is go ahead and take our processor and put it into this slot. You can see that we're going to match the two arrows up. So gently pick it from both sides. You can see that the case that we have, or the little packaging, will allow us to do so. We're going to go ahead and drop it into the slot. Just wiggle it around and make sure that all of the pins are connected in properly. You'll feel some resistance when you push this lever back down. You see my motherboard move just a little bit. That is perfectly normal. Pull it down, press it underneath the connection again, and we have our processor installed on the motherboard. Not an extremely difficult process. You want to make sure that you do it the correct way. If not, you can bust the pins off your processor, and at that point it is unusable. Now the next step in this process is to actually go ahead and install the heatsink and the fan on top of the motherboard. I'm going to show you how to do that here real fast. Really what we're going to do is we're going to push this down. These two connectors on either side are going to fit onto the two metal or plastic brackets that are on the motherboard. See, this little clip here will tighten or loosen this off of the processor itself. What we're going to do is we're going to get it right in the middle, lined up before we set it down. We're going to take our bracket here, pull it to the side and pull it down. Same with this opposite side here. So you can see it's got a little bit of play, it's a little bit loose. It's on top of the connection here. Same with this side. Go ahead and take a look at a different angle, give you a little bit better view of exactly how this is going to sit on top. So you can see that we have the bracket, the heatsink is right in the middle. So we don't have either side bracket attached yet, it's just sitting right on top of the CPU. We're going to take the fixed side. We're going to go ahead and attach it to the plastic prong that's sticking out. So we're just going to go ahead and push it on. Once this side is attached, we can take the opposite side, which is the lever side. We're going to make sure it is open, so we'll have the play to fit on. We're just going to go ahead and take it, and basically you'll have to wiggle it a little bit to get the lever into the place you want it to be. Attach it to the prong on this side, and then we can go ahead and flip the lever down, and that will pull the heatsink nice and snug to the processor itself. You see the lever is pulled down and all of the slack out of the attachment is pulled out. And the next step is to go ahead and take a look at the power supply, and depending upon whether or not you're putting in a PCI Express card, you may want to switch the installation of this around. This is a 4-prong power supply. We'll go ahead and connect it onto the motherboard, making sure we attach it to the correct CPU fan power slots. That's the installation of the CPU. If you have any questions, go ahead and throw them down in the comments. I'd be more than happy to take some time and answer them for you. As always, I appreciate you watching the video. And if you'd like to see more, go ahead and check out the description below.